Hey guys, what's up? It's Adam here, and today we are going to unbox the Motorola Moto G6 Plus, which comes in a really nice green black box. The G6 Plus comes in two versions, one with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and another one with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. What more do we have? We can read on the back side that we have a dual 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera. The screen is a 5.9 inch Full HD Plus resolution, that is 1080 x 2160 pixels, a 2.2 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 630 processor, and the battery is on 3200 mAh with a turbo power fast charging technology, and of course a fingerprint sensor. And it also has a space for a micro SD card. And it comes with Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box. So yeah, let's start this unboxing. We are directly met by the phone with a paper in front that also specifies the specifications. It also comes in a plastic transparent back cover, which feels very comfortable in the hand. We continue down in the box and we find a pin to open the SIM card holder, I guess. A instruction manual. Another manual. The turbo power charger, and a micro USB cable, and it has micro USB-C, which is really nice. So yeah, that's it. This is what comes in the package. So if you have any questions whatsoever regarding the phone, just let me know in the comment section below and I will do my very best to answer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.